Next one is called as digital signals. Data can be transmitted in the form of 1 or 0. All of you know that one. But when you are transmitting the data either 1 or 0, your computer or the transmission media don't know what is 1, what is 0. So what you have to do, we have to send the data in the form of voltages. Once a certain voltage is given to 1 and certain voltage is given to 0. For example, if I have to transmit 1, what I have to do, I have to give some positive voltage here. If I want to transmit 0, I have to give some voltage is 0. Wherever the voltage is 0, it is treated as 0, a bit 0, and wherever the some positive voltage is there, it is treated as bit 1. We can transmit more than one bit at a time. In that case, we have to use multi-levels of voltages. For example, see here we are totally taking 4 different voltages. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Whenever we use this type of voltage, it is nothing but the bit 1 1. Here when you are using the second voltage here, it is nothing but 1 0. When we are using one more type of voltage, it is nothing but 0 1. So last one here, one more voltage, it is nothing but 0. That means each voltage indicates a 2 bits. Here we send 1 bit with 2 levels. This example, we can send 1 bit using 2 levels. We can send 2 bits using 4 number of levels. If you have L number of levels, we can transmit log 2L bits at a time. The next one is called as bit rate. What is the meaning of bit rate? The bit rate is the number of bits sent in 1 second, expressed in bits per second. Here bit rate means in 1 second how many bits I can transmit. For example, see here 8 bits can be transmitted in 1 second. Here from here to here it is 8 bits. I can transmit 8 bits in 1 second. So the bit rate is actually 8 bits per second. This is an example for bit rate is 8 bits per second. Here in this case I can transmit up to 16 bits. I can transmit up to 16 bits in 1 second. So the bit rate of that one is here 16 bits per second. Next one is called as bit length. Bit length means the bit length is the distance one bit occupies on the transmission medium. Its formula is bit length is equal to propagation speed into bit duration. Okay, what is the meaning of bit length? A distance one bit occupies in one transmission medium, on the transmission medium. So here from here to here, okay, from here to here, the length, bit length is the distance one bit occupies on the transmission medium. From here to here, how much length it will take? For one bit, how much length it will take? That is called as actually bit length. It is just like a wavelength in the analog signal. Bit length is actually in the digital signal, the length of this one here. Okay.